A chord of a circle of radius 10.5 centimeters subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and the major segment. Chord subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center of the circle. Radius of the circle is 10.5 centimeters. We need to find out the area of the minor segment, which is the shaded region, which is ADB. How do we find out the area of the minor segment or the segment? Compute the area of the sector ADBO, and from that subtract the area of the triangle. Find the area of the sector. Finding the area of the sector is very straightforward. Angle subtended by the arc making the sector is 60 degrees. So, area is equal to 60 divided by 360, theta by 360 into pi r square. 22 by 7 is pi. R square is a 10.5 square. For calculation's sake, let us write it as a 21 upon 2. So, R is a 21 upon 2, R square is 21 upon 2 times 21 upon 2. Minus, we need to find out the area of the triangle. What kind of a triangle is it? OA is radius, OB is radius. These two are two sides of the triangle. If two sides of a triangle measure the same, the triangle is definitely an isosceles triangle. It could end up becoming an equilateral triangle. The third side is also equal. Let us just verify that, right? If these two sides are equal, correspondingly to opposite angle should be equal. Angle opposite to OA is angle B, let us say that is equal to a theta. Angle opposite to OB is angle A, that is also equal to theta. In any triangle, sum of the interior angles is equal to 180. Theta plus theta, 2 theta, plus the 60 degrees, which is the angle at O, is equal to 180 degrees. 60 goes to the right hand side, 2 theta is equal to 120, or theta is equal to 60 degrees. If all three angles are equal, then the triangle is an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle, formula is root 3 by 4 a square. So, this is root 3 divided by 4. A is basically the side which is the radius 10.5. We will write it as a 21 by 2 again. So, 21 by 2 times 21 by 2. This is a place where you need to check out. If it is an objective type question, multiple choice question, you need to see whether the answer options leave this as a root 3, or has the question asked you to take root 3 to be equal to some value. It could be a 1.7, 1.73. If they said take root 3 as a 1.73, plug that value in and then find the answer. If they left the answer as a root 3, then basically you also leave it as a root 3, because in this question they have not said take root 3 to be equal to 1.73. We will compute the answer in terms of root 3 and leave it at that, right. Our idea is to know how to do it, not go to the final answer if that is not what is asked, right. So, we will quickly do the calculation here, simplify it. 60 cancels with 360 to leave us with a 6, 7 cancels with 21 to leave us with a 3, 3 cancels with 6 to leave us with a 2, 2 cancels with 22 to leave us with 11. So, what do we have here? 210 plus 21, 11 times 21 is 21 times 10 plus 21, 231 divided by 4 is the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. 21 times 21 is 441 root 3 divided by 4 into 4, which is equal to 16. So, this is the area of the minor segment. If required, then we can always substitute this root 3 as a 1.73 or whatever is given and compute the answer. Method is known. Part 2, we need to find out the area of the major segment. Area of the major segment, if you look at it, is nothing but the area of the circle minus the area of the minor segment, right. Area of the circle, we know the radius is equal to 10.5. So, area of the circle is 22 divided by 7 times radius can be written as 21 by 2 times 21 by 2 to make calculations easy, minus area of the minor segment. Let us pick it from the last slide. 231 upon 4 minus 441 root 3 upon 16. 231 upon 4 minus 441 root 3 divided by 16 is what we have. Quickly check it once more so that we do not make any mistakes in copying things. 231 upon 4 minus 441 root 3 divided by 16. 7 cancels with 21 to leave us with a 3. 2 cancels with 22 to leave us with 11. 11 into 3, 33 into 21, 660 plus 33, 693 divided by 2. Minus 231 divided by 4 plus minus of minus will make this plus 441 root 3 divided by 16. Take 4 as a common denominator. 2 times 693 is equal to 1386. 1386 minus 231 divided by 4 plus 441 root 3 divided by 16 is the answer. 386 minus 200 is 186, 156, 155. 1155 is what we have. 1155 divided by 4 plus 441 root 3 divided by 16. Right. This is the answer, which is the area of the major segment. Right. How to compute the minor segment area? Area of the minor sector minus area of the triangle. How to compute the area of the major segment? Area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. Before you leave, I want you to do two things. One, sign up at online.maxtute.com to get started with CBSE Class 10 Math online tuitions. It takes all of 5 minutes and less than 3 steps to get started. And second thing, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Spread the word about this channel to your friends and classmates.